Are you also running a pet clinic and manually interacting with your customers? Then you are totally wasting your time, because this task can be completely automated by using Pabbly Chatflow. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for pet clinic appointments and health inquiries. So I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing automation tool that help you create WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistants, and automate all your conversations with your clients within the WhatsApp. So now let me firstly show you the real-time working of the WhatsApp chatbot, which I have already built in using Pabbly Chatflow, so that you can understand it's working for your business. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where I'm going to send a message to my business number, which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. And here, as I have entered this message, I am getting this welcome message with two buttons, that is book appointment and grooming services. So I am going to select this first button, that is book appointment, and as I have selected it, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my pet's name. So here I am going to enter my pet's name as Fluffy, and as I have provided my pet's name, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter the type of pet do I have. So here I am going to enter my type of pet as cat. And as I have provided the type of pet, it is asking me to enter the date for the appointment which I want to book. So here I am going to enter the date as 21st May 2026. So as I have provided the date of the appointment, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my name. So here I am going to enter my name as demo user, and as I have provided my full name, I am getting a confirmation message which says your appointment request is received. We will confirm your slot shortly. And here I am going to move towards this next button, that is grooming services. And as I have selected it, I am getting the list of the grooming services provided by this clinic. So here I am going to open this list, and here I am getting two services. So here I am going to select this first service, that is bath and cleaning. And as I have selected it, I am getting a message which is asking me, do you want to book the service? So here I am going to select this button, that is yes. And as I have selected it, I'm getting a confirmation message. So this shows that my WhatsApp chatbot is working properly and helping my customers to book the appointment and check the grooming services right on the WhatsApp. And now my customers doesn't have to visit multiple websites. So now you can also automate your pet clinic business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. And for that you have to create a WhatsApp chatbot. So now let me show you the entire process of creating this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to save up a lot of your time and help you automate all the conversations with your clients or the customers. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which is the most important window for creating this chatbot. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to access it by typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for creating and testing this automation for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right here on my screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the flow page, where you have to firstly add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And here on the flow page I have provided it the name WhatsApp chatbot for pet clinic bookings and health inquiries. And here we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event which initiate our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, and many more. But here I'm going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the same keyword which I'm going to enter over here. So I'm going to just type it and press the enter key, and here our keyword is ready. And afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression description, these are used for the advanced user input. So if you want to trigger any of the advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this, but for now I am removing it as we already have our keyword. And you can also enable this skip trigger matching too. And on your left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think is main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these nodes and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message, and for that I'm going to use the text button node, which can be seen over here. And you can also find this text button node over this message block too. And now in this text button node, I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers or the clients. So this is the welcome message which I'm going to send to my customers. Now I'm going to add a button in this message node. So here I'm going to provide my button name as book appointment, and from this field you can select your button type, either quick reply or link if you want this button to react as a link. And afterwards I'm going to create one more button. So here I have created both my buttons. Now if my user select this button, that is book appointment, I'm going to ask them some questions for booking the appointment. And for that you have to use this ask question node given over the action block. And here I'm going to enter a question asking for the pet's name. So now let's enter it. So here I have entered this question asking for the pet's name. Now I have to select my contact custom field. Now you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So here I have created this contact custom field name as pet name, means this contact custom field is going to consist of the pet's name provided by my user. And now let's select the format as any. Now if you wish to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, which you have to select, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page where you can see the previously created contact custom fields by me. Now for creating a new one, we just have to click over this add more field button, and here I am going to add some more questions for booking the appointment. So right here you can see I have entered some more questions asking for the type of pet, date, and the full name of the customer or the user. And now if my user provides me answer of all these questions, I am going to provide them a confirmation message by using the text button node. So this is the confirmation message which I am going to send to my user. And now if my user select the second button, that is grooming services, I am going to provide them list of the services or the grooming services provided by this clinic. So here I am going to select this node, that is list, and here in this list node I am going to create the list of the services provided by my clinic. And here I am going to firstly enter the body for my list. So here I have entered this body for my list. Now I am going to create a section in which I am going to add some list items. So here I am going to just click over this add section, and here I am going to enter my section title as service. And likewise you can also create many more sections to the list. And now we just have to click over this add items, and here we are getting this dialog box where we have to enter the title of our first list item or the first service. So here I am going to enter the title as bath and cleaning. Now likewise I am going to add some more services to this list. So here I have added one more item to my list, that is hair trimming. Now I am going to provide contact custom field to both these list items so that I can get the service which my user has selected. And for that you have to use this set custom field node. And now I am going to connect it with my first list item, and afterwards I am going to select my contact custom field as service type. And now here it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. And as you know, I am creating this contact custom field for this first list item, that is bath and cleaning. So here I have entered the same value. Now likewise I am going to provide contact custom field to the second list item too. So here I have created contact custom field for the second list item too. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I am going to ask them whether they want to book the service or not, and for that I am going to use the text button node, and here I am going to create a button too. So here I have entered this message asking whether my user want to book the service or not, and here I have created this button, that is yes. Now if my user select this button, I am going to provide them a confirmation message by using text button node. So this is the confirmation message which I am going to send to my user. So with this we are done with the creation of our flow by using which your users can book the appointment right on the WhatsApp and can get the services provided by your pet clinic. Now we just have to save it by simply selecting the save button. So now this WhatsApp chatbot is going to automate all the conversations and appointments over the WhatsApp. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box. So make sure to check it out, and if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.